Good afternoon and welcome to MDIS School of Engineering. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your valuable time today so that take a time with us. And we are glad today that we have one of our graduates, Miss May, that who is willing to come back to share with us her learning journey, as well as what she's doing now and give us some advice. So now it's live now that we go and take May in. Hi, welcome back to engineering school. Let me bring you back to our rooms. Yeah. So this is one of your places that you remember you're doing your lab work and doing your group work with your friends here. I think you are very familiar with this place again, right? So let's move to the next room, and then we can sit down and we can discuss further about your what you're doing now. Introduce yourself to everybody. Take a good seat.
Okay.
Hi, May. Thanks again. Thank you again for coming to MDIS to do this live chat with us. First of all, would you mind to introduce yourself to the audience so that we know who you are and where you're coming from?
Okay, so my name is Muthiah and I'm a recent graduate from Northumbria University. I did my bachelor's in electrical electronic engineering.
Hi, yeah, thanks for the introduction of yourself. Right, would you mind to share with us how to come to know about MDIS?
So I had a friend who is also an alumni from Northumbria University. She did her bachelor's in electrical electronic engineering too. So she introduced me to this program and course while I was looking for university options after Polytechnic.
Oh, okay, so your friend is also a graduate here?
Yes.
Oh, that's good to know. Then why do you choose MDIS among all the university or private institutions that you have checked through?
So I found out that MDIS had a very good course structure. They were oriented, and I really liked that. About MDIS, and that's why I chose to join MDIS in the School of Engineering.
Okay. Over the course of 2 years here, because you have your Polytechnic diploma, so you join from year 2 for the program, and over the duration of the 2 years, would you mind to share with us your experience with MDIS?
So the experience was a very great one. All teachers, lecturers, students, fellow classmates, all of them were very supportive. They were always there to help you when you needed them the most. The lab facilities and everything was up to par. We were all provided with the same facilities that actually helped us through the 2 years in MDIS.
So we talk about all the facilities. Do you have a chance to have a hands-on and a practical on that?
Yes, so we had modules that were actually lab oriented. So most of the time we were in the labs using the lab facilities that was provided here. So we had hands-on experience trying to understand how the machine works and trying to do circuits and everything to actually go through the whole experience of the module.
So after going through all this, what are the things that you like about the school or the program?
So it was actually a very structured program. So we knew from the start to the end, this is what we have to do and this is what we have to deliver. This was actually a very nice experience because being structured, we actually knew what we need, what we have to deliver. So this actually helped me throughout the program in MDIS.
After successfully completing your program, congratulations again with a good degree. So how do you find about the jobs? We'll talk about your job now.
So I'm actually currently working as a research engineer under the smart manufacturing track. So I actually do Python programming, software programming.
Okay. So how about the program? How the program has a benefit to you for your current jobs now?
So the program in MDIS actually taught me about work-related experience. So these actually helped me when I was choosing for the right job that actually suited me. So these were the things that actually helped me the most. And right now in the job, what I have experienced is that all the learning that I actually got from MDIS is what I'm actually using in the job. So this is all the experience that is necessary, that is what I actually got from MDIS.
Okay, moving from the polytechnic background, then coming to MDIS, I believe that you have gone through the quite all the learning journeys with different stages of the academic progressions. Would you mind to give some advice to our current students or future engineering students who would like to take up the engineering program?
One thing that I would like to tell the future students is that always ask when in doubt. So don't suffer in silence. So ask your teachers if you don't know anything. Keep experimenting. Keep working. You know, push yourself to the limit to find out what is your limit and what you can achieve. So this way you'll be able to have a great experience in MDIS in any university that you actually choose to go to.
Okay, I believe that you would like to visit again all our facilities so to refresh back your memory with us. And now I think I'll introduce Mr. Razak to come over to bring you around to refresh your good memory with MDIS.
Hello, man. Good to see you again, and welcome back. I hope you're doing well now. Okay, let me show you around our facilities again as in our down the memory lane lab tour. Come, let me show you around here. Okay, over here, we have a model of a jet engine of a high-pass turbofan, which is commonly used in the commercial aircraft. This model is fully 3D printed in our facilities here, including the bolt and nut here and the ball bearings. Okay, so these help the students in the aerospace and rocket science module as in our program. Okay, over here we have our 3D printing lab where we manufacture the engine. Of course, the students need to start from the design. And with these machines, we have three types of 3D printers: the FDM, the color powder bed, and the SLA. Of course, as I said earlier, the students need to start from design, where we use digital tools such as SolidWorks, Fusion 360, Inventor, AutoCAD, and ANSYS. These are part of design modules. Okay, over here, we have electrical trainer console. This is where the students need to understand the electrical circuit fundamentals. We're talking about resistors, capacitors, three-phase versus single-phase, all the electrical components, and this is also part of our module programs. Okay, over here, we have our CNC machine, which is part of a manufacturing industry standard that the students need to understand the subtractive manufacturing process, how it's going to perform the process. Okay, and this is where the students were able to understand more. Okay, come, I bring you to our computer and material lab. Okay, over here we have our own dedicated computers for the students to use. All the engineering software installed that the student can use weekdays from 8:30 until 6 p.m. and including Saturdays. And also, this is where the students, they will meet other students from different disciplines that they can build up their network. Okay, over here we have computerized. We have a computerized integrated manufacturing machine. This is about the robotics, sensors, and automation. We're talking about a new generation of technology. Okay. And for the material studies, the dynamics of materials, this is Instron a tensile strength for testing the tensile and the compressions. And this is a Brinell hardness test to test the hardness of the material and the structural equipment for the dynamics of materials. Okay, now I bring you back to Dr. Tham. Okay, man, it's good to see you again, and I wish you all the best and be successful in future. So I'm handing over back you to Dr. Tham.
Hi, Ming. I hope you enjoy your tour with us in the lab again. Come and take a seat and then let's continue to talk about your work. So, Ming, thank you again for your time to come again. Giving a chance, would you like to come here to visit us again as a students or as an MDIS alumni or to help our students out?
Yeah, sure. That would be a great experience. That would be a great opportunity, actually. I would love to come back here to talk to new students who are actually deciding to join MDIS, because this is a very good opportunity for everyone.
Okay, wait, thanks again for your time. And then now we're going to end your session with you, and we really appreciate your help for School of Engineering.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now let's thank you. Now that's end of the session with May, and would you like to know more about the program? You're free to talk to us. And here, Mr. Ruben will discuss and explain to you how to do the applications. Over to you, Ruben.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hi. Thanks you for joining for MDIS Virtual Fair. To enjoy the special rebate, you need to apply for the School of Engineering page. So there are 3 easy steps which I have shared on the screen. Step 1, please visit the School of Engineering page. Step 2, click on Apply button. Step 3, make the application fee, and a link will be sent to your personal email to complete the application form. If you have any questions regarding the program inquiries, regarding the payment structure, you can WhatsApp me on 82892556. Please take note, for foundation diploma, registration fee is $21.40, bachelor degree is $32.10, and master degree is $53.50. I hope you have got a full information about the School of Engineering. If you have further questions, please drop me a message or email me. Next sessions is coming for the School of Safety, Health and Management, which will be starting at 5 p.m. So please stay tuned to get more info for these programs. So from here, Dr. Tham will take over. Thank you.
Hi, thanks again for your time, and I hope you enjoy the session with us. And if you have any doubt about engineering program, we are welcome to visit our School of Engineering. And we are here to assist you and to help you and to explain to you whatever things that in depth. And hopefully I'll see you in MDIS. Thanks again. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.